So my people, the topic we want to work on now on this episode is called string concatenation. Concatenation and string replication. So that's the topic. This is the topic we want to work on: string concatenation and string replication. So now there is one important thing. There is one important guide here now. The meaning of an operator may change based on the data types of the value next to it. Don't forget that our operator will have exponent, modulus, integer division, multiplication, subtraction, and what? Addition. But the meaning of all these operator may change based on the data types of the value next to it. For an example now, additional operator, which is plus. Don't forget that plus is our additional operator. So now, plus equals an addition operator when it operates on two integer or floating point value. We call it an additional operator when it works with a number, either integer, a solid number, or float, a decimal number. That's when we call it an operator, an additional operator. But when it works, when we use plus in two strings value, it is called what? String concatenating operator. String concatenation, abi concatenating operator rather. So when we say string concatenating operator, string concatenating operator